Hey everybody, my name is Cody Stepp. I'm one of the co-founders over here at Workflow Secrets, and I'm the inventor of the Systems Accelerator Manager. We like to call it SAM. And this is a piece of real estate software that has been heralded as the evolution of the CRM, which is pretty cool to me. And the reason I am reaching out to you, I want to personally invite you to our Workflow Secrets Demo Day 2025. Now, over 2024, we have been working diligently to completely rebuild the SAM platform into the SAM 2.0 platform that is going to be the CRM that you always wished you had. Now, I have spent my entire career in real estate technology under the tutelage of my father, Mark Stepp, who has spent the last 35 years in real estate technology, helping real estate agents grow and build successful businesses. I'm talking 100 plus transaction businesses or businesses that allow you to leave work at 3 p.m. to go spend time with your family, or businesses that you are allowed to do more without actually having to spend more time in the day. No longer do you need to have those 14-hour work days because your software is actually helping you grow and build this business. Now, traditionally speaking, these CRM systems, which most of the time were built in the 1990s, do a couple of things. They house data. I like to say they hoard data, and they can start automations for you if you manually start them, right? But with the SAM 2.0 platform, we've completely reimagined those two concepts. And we've actually built a system using AI and some modern technology that is going to do much more for you than you ever thought was possible. So here's the deal. Go ahead and go to this website down below, and you're going to see the entire Workflow Secrets demo day. I've spent the last 2 months putting together a culmination of all of the 2024 work that we've done. And every good software company has a demo day, and that's exactly what I want to invite you to, right? So you are going to get the opportunity to see all of the different features laid out in some, I would like to say, enjoyable videos. But at the very bottom, there is a sign-up form for you to be able to attend a live demo with us. Now, what it is going to be, in January, we are hosting a live demo, and there are 2 times that you can show up to this demo. Now, the reason I did that is because I get it. You're a real estate agent who is busy, and you've got more pressing things to do than spend time with some guy who built some software, right? So I want to make sure that any time that you're willing to give me, I'm very diligent about using. And so I've got 2 opportunities for you to check that out. But at that, you are going to get to see some real life case studies of how you could use the software. We're going to open up a Q&A so you can start to question, why we chose these things, what features could be used for your real estate business to help you be more successful. And then at the end of it, I'm going to give you a really cool offer so that you have the ability to actually use the software to build that successful business. We like to say a successful real estate business does one of 3 things. It allows time for friends, family, or just growing your real estate business. And I'm really excited to get to take the opportunity not only to meet you and spend some time with you, but to show you a really cool piece of technology that is going to ultimately transform the real estate technology space. Of that, I'm confident, and I'm really hopeful that you'll join along in this. So go ahead and click this link below, get signed up, and start checking out all these videos. And thanks again for viewing and attending the Workflow Secrets Demo Day 2025.